Put it on 175 degrees Celsius. Put in the flour first. This one too. Did I get something? Here's a spatula. Powder. Then next would be the baking powder. All of it. That's pretty much sure now. Next would be the baking soda. And then the salt. Combine. Yeah. So next would be the wet mixture. Okay, first you put the white sugar. Okay, all of it. And then the oil. What happens with and then the milk, and then the vanilla. Sige. Making sure that the sugar is dissolved. You pour everything. Let me help you. Banana by folding. So all of the chocolate chips go in, and then that's how you do it. You fold. it in half. So it's really moist, it's not dry. And see? Let's try. Let's make one big bite. Let's take a portion, guys. So I can really taste the banana and the mini chocolate chips at the same time. So the combination of the two is really delicious, and what I like about this muffin is that, you know, the batter is not super sweet, so it's not really like scratchy sa imong tutunlan. So lamig siya. So drink it with your favorite tea. So the bland taste of tea complements so well with these muffins. So i-try na to ninyo ang recipe. I got the recipe from a blog. I'll post it in the description box. Thanks for watching.